Hey guys, what's up? It's Alicia. So for today's video, I wanted to talk about today's sponsor, which is at High Tide Thrift on Instagram. Are you looking for unique shorts to wear this summer? Then check out at High Tide Thrift on Instagram. On her page, you can find super unique embroidered denim from brands like Wrangler and Levi's, trendy clothes like Brandy Melville items and Urban Outfitter items, and more. She has so many unique items to bid on, including vintage pieces from time to time, and she posts almost every single day, so there's definitely something you can find. And all of her pieces are 100% thrifted, so you know you're shopping sustainably. Also, she has an active giveaway going on right now where you guys can win your very own pair of custom embroidered shorts. You can choose the size, the wash, the design, and the distressing. So if you guys want to check out at High Tide Thrift on Instagram, you guys can follow the link in the description box and enter her giveaway so you guys can win your very own pair of shorts. The giveaway ends on June 30th of 2020. Thank you for sponsoring this video, and now let's just get into it.
It's not easy, easy, easy. Ooh, 'cause you say you don't need me, need me, need me. It's not easy, easy, easy. Ooh, 'cause you say you don't need me, need me, need me. Living in the summer, where have you gone? You're another love child. I love to sing your song. She started hating, I've been waking up too early. I miss our crazy hazes in the middle of the night. Watch the stars from different places, and the phases we call love won't ever start to change. But do you ever wake up feeling like everything is strange? We should buy a one-way ticket and board onto a plane and fly it straight into a black hole somewhere out in outer space, girl. Baby, it's you. Drives me crazy. I've been running around the room trying to make some extra gravy. I've been staying up for hours just staring at the ceiling. Now she's starting to stare back, but I guess looks can be deceiving. And the spaces we call love won't ever fade away. But do you ever wake up feeling like we're living day to day? We should buy some golden handcuffs and throw away the K and march ourselves right into cages in the prison of belief, girl. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't want anything else but you. The truth is running away. Started out as funny, now the bees looking for honey, and I don't know what I should say. People ask us what we're doing, but it's all Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Walking downtown and I'm okay. He's got it all figured out. It's what they all say, yeah. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm different. Everyone's looking at me thinking that I'm living. But I don't really care what they all say. It's easier said than done. That guy problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety. It's more than a feeling. You were never meant for me. But now I gotta keep it. Walking downtown and I'm okay. Eyes on me, I don't know what to do, so I smile and I wave. Alright. Everyone's looking like they know what they're doing. Everyone's looking like they know what I'm pursuing. I'm trying not to give them the time of day. It's easier said than done. That guy problems with everyone, but it all comes down to you. You are my anxiety.